Welcome back to my channel Educationhub.48.
Hello, I am fine.
Hello, I am fine.
Good morning, I slept well.
Good morning, I slept well.
Hi there, I am playing with my toys.
Hi there, I am playing with my toys.
Hey, I am doing great.
Hey, I am doing great.
Good afternoon, I'm going to the park.
Good afternoon, I am going to the park.
Hello, it's nice to see you.
Hello, it's nice to see you.
I had lunch.
I had lunch.
Good evening, my day was good.
Good evening, my day was good.
Nothing much is new.
Nothing much is new.
Hello, I missed you.
Hello, I missed you.
Good morning, I'm ready for the day.
Good morning, I am ready for the day.
Hi there, my family is doing well.
Hi there, my family is doing well.
Hey, I have plans for the weekend.
Hey, I have plans for the weekend.
Good afternoon, school is going well.
Good afternoon, school is going well.
Hello, I did something fun today.
Hello, I did something fun today.
Hi, my trip was amazing.
Hi, my trip was amazing.
Good evening, I watched a good movie.
Good evening, I watched a good movie.
Hello, I read a good book.
Hello, I read a good book.
I love pancakes for breakfast.
I love pancakes for breakfast.
Hi there, the weather is nice.
Hi there, the weather is nice.
Hey, I enjoy painting.
Hey, I enjoy painting.
I am playing a new game.
I am playing a new game.
Hello, I have a pet dog.
Hello, I have a pet dog.
Hi, school is going well.
Hi, school is going well.
We are having pasta for dinner.
We are having pasta for dinner.
Hey, I like to draw for fun.
Hey, I like to draw for fun.
My favorite sport is soccer.
My favorite sport is soccer.
The best part of my day was playing outside.
The best part of my day was playing outside.
I traveled to the beach.
I traveled to the beach.
I enjoy listening to music.
I enjoy listening to music.
I like to watch cartoons.
I like to watch cartoons.
My favorite subject is math.
My favorite subject is math.
I play the piano.
I play the piano.
I love hiking.
I love hiking.
I play basketball.
I play basketball.
My favorite animal is a dog.
My favorite animal is a dog.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
I enjoy swimming.
I enjoy swimming.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
I enjoy gardening.
I enjoy gardening.
I like to play board games.
I like to play board games.
I love chocolate ice cream.
I love chocolate ice cream.
I like riding my bike.
I like riding my bike.
I love eating cookies.
I love eating cookies.
I enjoy visiting the zoo.
I enjoy visiting the zoo.
I like drinking orange juice.
I like drinking orange juice.
I like flying kites.
I like flying kites.
I like watching soccer.
I like watching soccer.
I enjoy playing video games.
I enjoy playing video games.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Thanks for watching Education Hub.48. Subscribe for more videos.